Hello, my name is Duncan, lead educator for Andis Clipper Company. I've worked with the Andis Company for 9 years, and the great thing about today's model for the day, he also works for the Andis Company as well. The great thing about Jerome's job is he actually creates the grooves and the different blades that are on each of the tools that we're going to use for today. The Andis T outliner with the deep teeth, as well as the Andis Envy that we're going to use to create the fading and freehand, the flat top that we're going to create for today's haircut.
Kenny begins by adjusting the Envy Clipper into a closed blade position. He begins to lightly fade using C-strokes. The C-stroke technique gets its name from the C-shaped rocking motion of the clipper. Using the revolution process, he starts on the left side of the nape, moving to the right side perimeter. For the second revolution, he adjusts the blade to the half-open position and repeats. For the final revolution, he adjusts the blade to a full open position and repeats once again. He begins to lightly fade using C-strokes. With the fade completed, Kenny removes bulk using the clipper over comb technique. And rough cuts the flat top form. To lay Jerome's hair down and accentuate his hair texture, he applies foam mousse around the parietal ridge. Using product creates a foundation for techniques within a haircut. With the Envy blade closed, the top interior was shaped using horizontal sections to create a center guide. Kenny does this by working from the crown to the front. He then widens the guide from either side. This will create a 3-inch guide in the top interior. Kenny shapes the sides using the revolution process. It's critical to keep the comb parallel to the shape desired, as the angle of the comb defines the shape that is created. He shapes the front using the previously cut section as his guide. Kenny repeats the process using the clipper over comb method to further blend and remove strays. To style the beard, Kenny closes the clipper blade, cutting against the grain to remove bulk. Removing the bulk first provides a visual of what edges need to be refined and defined. Changing to the GTX-T outliner, he fine-tunes along the chin, working up to the side towards the ear to establish the outline. A straight razor may be used for further refinement. Kenny and Jerome determine the design and its location within the beard during the consultation. To begin, Kenny inverts the GTX-T outliner trimmer and begins to cut in the rough shape. Next, he points the trimmer head down to fine-tune the design. A straight razor may be used for further refinement. He cleans up the mustache and chin area, following a similar process, using the ears of the T outliner to reach tight places in the design. He then continues the refinement process, working around the beard to achieve the desired look. Kenny creates sharp edges along the hairline, creating a 90-degree corner framing the brow. With the basic cut and beard complete, Kenny uses a finishing product and the Andis Pro Dry Plus dryer with pick to set. He now turns his attention to completing the signature flat top, cutting against the grain where necessary. Then fine-tuning the fade using 45-degree and 90-degree positions, similar to using number 1 and number 2 combs.
Thank you for watching the American Legacy Collection video series 2, where Jerome got a chance to see firsthand what the blades that he helps machine can do. We executed a flat top, accentuated with designs, and the tools that we used for today's haircut was the Andis Envy, as well as the Andis Black T outliner featured with the deeper teeth. For more videos from the American Legacy Collection, log on to andis.com/getthelook.